Let's take a glimpse at the job site of tomorrow. Today, experience how easy it is to pave continuously, reduce construction costs, document projects, communicate efficiently, and work in perfect coordination, with a single goal in mind: more quality in road construction. Follow me. Paving a road means coordinating many different individual processes, as you well know. Job planners, site managers, paving foremen, paver operators, mixing plant supervisors, and feed vehicle drivers all use a customized VÖGELE paving module, each of them promoting their project success. It's a mammoth task that often pushes planning and management to the limit. But with VÖGELE paving, coordinating a construction project, exchanging information and documentation are a lot easier.
Erheblich einfacher.
With the VÖGELE paving control module, scheduling construction machinery is easy and transparent. Use it to create job orders, manage your machine pool, and schedule pavers. One special feature, it enables me as a job planner to conveniently track the progress of a job at any time. Any deviations from planning can be instantly seen, and corrective action can be taken right away. Once planning is completed, it's time to get down to business. Here in the mixing plant, lorries are loaded with the mix that is paved on the road later on. Just in time is the magic formula in the process. You can't achieve quality without it. The VÖGELE paving materials module greatly facilitates the work of the mixing plant supervisor. Its main functions are to time lorry deliveries and display the status of each vehicle. From now on, I receive real-time information on all critical processes. The system not only shows the arrival and loading times of the lorries, it also displays any deviations from planning right away. With VÖGELE paving materials, I can monitor the output of the mixing plant and the supply of material to a job site and see precisely how much still has to be delivered. In short, the mixing plant can run at full capacity and the lorries deliver on time. And by the way, communication is much easier too. VÖGELE paving puts all participants in contact and gives them access to all the necessary information. Now let's take a closer look at the VÖGELE paving materials module. It primarily documents and summarizes material deliveries. This is where tickets, stating the delivered quantities and the respective lorry, are documented. The system dictates the exact time for loading and dispatching the lorries. The lorry status display is updated by the minute, meaning the mixing plant supervisor always knows, for example, which lorry is already on its way back. As you can see, the mixing plant also benefits from VÖGELE paving. By dispatching a lorry at timed intervals, the system promotes more uniform capacity utilization at the mixing plant. As a feed vehicle driver, I'm well networked too. I can use the VÖGELE transport module on my smartphone, which shows me all the important information, such as the exact location of and the estimated arrival time at the job site. All I have to do is log on to the system by entering the order number and off we go. It couldn't be easier. As a paving foreman, I accept tickets electronically and enter the time when unloading begins. And if things get hectic, the colleagues working at the job site entrance or operating the paver can perform these tasks for me. That's no problem, thanks to VÖGELE paving. As a banksman directing incoming feed vehicles, I can accept the tickets and enter them in the system. Effective planning is half the job. Thanks to VÖGELE paving, the work flows smoothly. Waiting times, lorries on the job site, and paver downtimes are a thing of the past. Even the delivery quantities aren't left to chance. If a job is nearing the end, VÖGELE paving provides information on the remaining quantities needed. I have everything under control, anywhere, anytime, no matter how big a job site is. The VÖGELE paving tool is integrated in the paver operator's console and shows all planned and actual parameters for duration, amount of material and tonnage. There's no longer any need to wait for lorry deliveries. Now I know in advance exactly when they are arriving and which vehicle is supplying me with material. Construction progress is updated in real time and I can respond whenever things don't go to plan. I instantly know how much material has been paved and how much is still coming. And road scan shows the temperature of the asphalt behind the screed at any time. Everything's running to plan here, so let's start unloading. To summarize briefly, all processes, accepting tickets, monitoring material, feed vehicle arrival and unloading times, and the progress of construction, are managed using the just-in-time method, enhancing the efficiency and quality of the paving work. No technical equipment in the world can replace people, but when analyzing complex calculations, VÖGELE paving does the job faster, because as we all know, time is money. A construction project may be complete, but a site manager's work goes on. With VÖGELE paving analysis, a documentation and analysis tool, I can evaluate a project and save empirical values for future jobs. Because there's always room for improvement. For instance, based on the temperature curve, I can verify that the paving work met all quality specifications. I can also see the operating efficiency of the machines. Virtually no downtime or waiting. And that means uninterrupted paving, which greatly increases operating efficiency and quality. The figures say it all. VÖGELE paving makes work more efficient. Fewer downtimes, lower costs, more transparency, better communication. In short, more quality in road construction. Work flows smoothly, thanks to VÖGELE paving. See the potential for yourself.